Hey guys, this is Adam and just a very short tutorial. This is one of my clients. And yeah, listen, I'm just about to finish my new track, Misha. And it is 229 channels. And what I want to show you is the importance of stereo, spread and pan. Now, panning allows you to move a sound left and right. Stereo spread allows you to move one sound and it moves it left and right at the same time. And it's really important that over your track, you're doing about 20 little bits of panning and stereo spread that range between, 4% all the way up to like 80, 90, 100%. What this means is you're going to get a nice varied soundscape where you're not only using the up and down kind of space, but the left and right. So think of it visually, think of it as a sphere, think of it that you've got all your sounds up and down, but 90% of people aren't using the stereo space available to them left and right. So go through all your tracks and make sure that you are using your stereo spread and your panning. Whenever you do something like stereo spread or pan, simply write it down in your document so you don't use it again. So just a really quick tip for you there, and you can learn more like this by subscribing to the Ellis Experience now.